In this video, I will show you how to receive money on PayPal. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of different ways to receive money on PayPal, so I'm going to go through those with you so you can choose the best way for you to receive money on PayPal. Now, to start with, what you want to do is come across to PayPal, log into your account, and what you can do first of all is if you come up to the top right hand corner, what you want to do is click onto this gear icon, and once you've done that, that's going to take you across to your profile. Now on here you're going to find the email address and your phone number. You can actually use any of these to receive money on PayPal. So the way to do it this way is what the person that wants to send you money needs to do is log into their PayPal account, come up and click on send and request at the top. And once you've done that, what it can do is enter their email address or a name or mobile or even a username into the box here, and then click next and follow the steps to send the money. Now, another way to receive money is to actually request the money. So you can send a request for money from that person, which again, from your PayPal account, what you want to do is come and click onto the send and request option. Now, again, what you would do is enter the name, username, email, or mobile number of the person that you want to request and receive money from. So if I type in one of my other PayPal accounts, let's go for this one here. What I'm going to do is select here. As you can see, it's found me, my other PayPal account. So I'm going to select that. And once that's done, it's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, you can enter the amount you want to request. So for example, say it was £10. I'm just going to enter that into here. You can also choose the currency from the box here. I'm going to leave this on Great British Pounds, and you can add a note as well. So the person that receives this request will know what that money is for. For example, if it was maybe you've gone out for dinner and it's to split the bill, we can put something like split the food bill, which will be sent with the request so the person knows what this payment request is for. Now once you've done that, you can come and click send at the bottom, and what it's going to do is actually send this across. And once you've done that, what it's going to do is send that request through. So they're going to receive an email and a notification saying that they've got a request to pay, and then they can just go through the steps and pay your requested money. Now, the final way to do this, which I'm going to share with you, which is actually my preferred way of when I want to receive money from someone, is if you actually open up a new internet tab, and what you want to do is create a payment link. So if you come across to paypal.me, it's going to take you to a screen like this, and as you can see, you can create a payment link, share it, and start receiving money. So of course, this is handy if you want to split a bill with friends or accept payments from customers if you're running like a business, like an online store, and anyone can use it. So whether you have a personal or business PayPal account, anyone can use this. All you need to do is simply click the blue create your paypal.me link button. I've already got a link, but if you don't, then it's going to take you through the steps, and all you would do is simply share that link, and they can then use that link to send you money. So that is how to receive money on PayPal. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.